Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another trio from Sista Chic Lacquer, and this collection is called That Song Is Stuck in My Head. So these inspirations came from Sista Chic's Facebook sisters, and let's get on with it. This first one is called Crazy Frog. Loopy Frog inspired this one. She's an emerald green with a green flash, a splash of holographic diamond glitter, and holographic hexes, holographic bar glitter, and that is just very unique. We'll get into swatching these in just a second. The second one's called Baby Shark, and Sista Chic is into her grays. She loves them. Light gray, dark gray, she likes all of them. And this one is a beautiful shark gray with tons of rainbow glass fleck. And then finally we have Flying Purple People Eater, and it's a dusty lavender beauty with large and small green and purple hexes, holographic diamond glitter, holographic bar glitter, and a ton of crystal micro glitter. The launch date for this collection will be September 1st, and she'll be selling them for $10 a bottle. And they are a limited edition, so they're only going to be available while supplies last. Once they're gone, they're gone. Sista Chic is 10 free, vegan, and cruelty free, and a portion of the sales go to Project Rescue. She says that we've raised $200 from the Embrace the Pink collection, which was donated to the American Cancer Foundation. And so there you have that. I will have links for the storefront for these down in the description box, and I'm going to quit yakking and get on into swatching. Alrighty, so we're going to go in with our first coat of Crazy Frog. Yeah, I wasn't going to quit talking. I don't even know why I told y'all that, but this is so unique. I mean, I don't own anything like it. It's got this green and teal and shimmer and little stuff and big stuff. This one is really cool. And here we go. And as far as formula goes, amazing. Absolutely perfect. Now, I'm not really into frosty, metallic-y like polishes for the norm because of the brush stroke issue. But this one did really, really well. I didn't have to fight it to keep from getting, bad brush strokes. I did see a little bit. And I am going to do a third coat on this one. I wanted to show it in its full opacity. That's what I'm trying to get at. I wanted to show all of it. So I did do 3 coats on this one. But this is just really nice. And after the top coat, I really, really liked it. So you can see a little bit of streak, but not bad. And there's my swatch photo with my nail art. I do have a good top coat on there also. Alrighty, so the next one up here is this beauty, and this one's called Baby Shark. It is so, so pretty. Okay, and I know I'm not supposed to pick favorites. I'm really not. It's like picking a favorite kid. That's what Miss Debbie will tell you. Hi Woody, how you doing? Woody is not supposed to be in this video. This is professional-like, But Baby Shark's my favorite. This one is my favorite, and it's funny because I'm normally like a bright pink, purple kind of girl, and this one stole my heart. It's got an amazing formula. It's got a whole bunch of components in it, and I know while I'm sitting here brushing it on, it don't look like all that, but in the light, when you can see through, look there. That's what I'm talking about. All those pretties. And there is my swatch photo for Baby Shark with some nail art. Love it. Now finally, we have another super unique polish. This is just so cool. And it's called Flying Purple People Eater. And it is like a purpled out gray with all kinds of goodies in it. Debbie is really doing a great job over at Sista Chic and giving us polishes that are so unique, either in shade or the components, the combination, and her formulas are just really, really good. I love them. Look how pretty that is. There is my swatch photo with some nail art. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will have a link for Sista Chic down below. As always, I do encourage you to support our fellow YouTubers and indie makers. And that is all I have for today. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.